Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Roche CARDIAC D-Dimer cobas H232. So this is a top view of this product. Roche CARDIAC D-Dimer. Over here we can see the brand name Roche. The product name Roche CARDIAC D-Dimer cobas H232. This is used for cobas H233 systems. So what 10 test cartridges inside this kit. So the same as this side. On the side we can see Roche CARDIAC D-Dimer code DD4571. The reference number of this kit 240-04877-802190. Then lot number, expiry date, manufacturing date. These are details here. On the back side it is same as front side. In this side we can see the details of Roche CARDIAC D-Dimer cobas H232 10 test cartridges. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain a temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Here we can see the manufacturing address also. Roche Diagnostics, made in Germany. So the origin of the kit is Germany. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see the instruction manuals are packed with the pouch, the ID chip, then there are so many instruction manuals. These are for separate languages, so it starts from English. So here also we can see the test cartridges. So this contains 5 cartridges. One pouch contains 5 and another one contains 5. So they are total 10. So this is an overall view of this kit. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Roche CARDIAC D-Dimer for Roche cobas H232 systems. This kit contains 10 test cartridges, instruction manuals, 2 pouches for several languages, total of 10 cartridges, 1 ID chip. This is an overall view of this kit. Thank you.